In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off background refresh on iPhone. So with your iPhone background refresh, you'll be able to receive notifications on all the applications you have on your iPhone, including WhatsApp, Telegram, X, Twitter, and Facebook. Just all the application on your iPhone and even your email. So your iPhone will be able to pull the notification directly from the source, even when you do not open this application. However, the essence of this is to be able to stay relevant, but this drained your iPhone battery really quick than any other thing on your iPhone. So the easiest way to make your iPhone battery last longer is to disable the background refresh on your device. So if you found this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In order to disable or turn off background refresh on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, just scroll down and click on general. Then locate background app refresh here and click on that. Once you click on background app refresh, then you see all the applications that are refreshing automatically on your iPhone background. You may choose to turn off the apps you don't want to let refresh automatically. However, then you can also turn off all these applications once and for all by clicking on background app refresh and choose the off button. Once you click on the off button, all the applications under background app refresh will be turned off. But if you want some application to refresh automatically under the background app refresh, then you want to make sure you disable all other applications you don't want to refresh automatically and leave other apps you want it to refresh automatically on the background session. So in this case, I can let my Maps app refresh automatically in the background, Google Maps, Gmail, Facebook, and I'll scroll down and I'll make my WhatsApp to refresh in the background of my iPhone. So with this, you can turn off the background app refresh on your iPhone or select some application that you want to refresh automatically in your iPhone background. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.